हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे आपकी क्लास 6 की साइंस की बुक से चैप्टर नंबर 10 हैबिटाट ऑफ द लिविंग। यानी कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स जिसमें भी रहते हैं वो होता है उसका हैबिटाट। यानी कि जैसे हम लोग अपने घर में रहते हैं तो वो है हमारा हैबिटाट। हैबिटाट, द प्लेस और एरिया वेयर अ पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म लिव्स इन नेचर इज कॉल्ड इट्स habitat. For example, desert is the habitat of camel. The habitat of an organism provided with food, water, and shelter. A habitat has two major parts or components: biotic and abiotic. Biotic यानी कि living components. These include all plants and animals in the habitat. Abiotic, non-living components. These include sunlight, water, soil, air, and temperature. Habitats are of two main types: terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial habitats on land are called terrestrial habitats. Forest, grassland, desert, and mountain regions are example of terrestrial habitats. Aquatic यानी कि जो पानी के हैं, तो habitat in water are called as aquatic habitats. Oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes are example of aquatic and habitats. Forests. Forests are large area of land covered with plants and trees. They occupy that 1/3 of our planet. The following are some examples of plants and animals found in forest. Plants: orchids, mango, elm, maple, teak, birch, and willow. Animals: macaw, bald eagle, woodpecker, python, lizard, wolf, monkey, fox, and tiger. Grasslands. Grasslands are large area of land covered with grasses or shrubs. The following are some examples of plants and animals found in grasslands. Plants: grasses and shrubs. Animals: deer, giraffe, lion, zebra, and gazelle. Deserts. Deserts are large dry areas of land that receive little or no rainfall. यानी कि वहां पर जो रेनफॉल होगा वो जीरो होगा, यानी कि बहुत कम होगा. Most deserts are very hot during the day and very cold at night. The following are some examples of plants and animals found in deserts. अब जो deserts के अंदर plants और animals जो देखने को हमें मिलते हैं वो हैं plants: cactus, date palm, acacia and agave. In animals: camel, kangaroo, rat, thorny devil, a type of lizard, and rattlesnake. Mountain regions. Mountain regions are normally cold and windy. Some even receive snowfall. The following are some examples of plants and animals found in mountain regions. Plants: pine, larch, spruce, and fir. Animals: snow leopard, yak, and mountain goat. Oceans. Oceans are saltwater habitats. They occupy about 3/4 of our planet. The following are some examples of plants and animals found in oceans. Plants: seaweed. Animals: blue whale, shark, octopus, and jellyfish. Rivers, ponds, and lakes. Rivers, ponds, and lakes are freshwater habitats. The following are some examples of plants and animals found in rivers, ponds, and lakes. Plants: lotus, water lily, and water hyacinth. वाटर हाइसिंथ को ही हम आइकॉर्निया भी कहते हैं, यानी कि जो बंगाल के अंदर आतंक जिसने मचा रखा था जिस प्लांट ने, ये एक टाइप की वीड है जो बाकी की वहां की जितनी भी क्रॉप्स हैं उन्हें खत्म कर देती है, या जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं उसे ये खत्म कर देती है. एनिमल्स: फिश, ट्रॉट एंड कार्प, डक, फ्रॉग, एंड क्रोकोडाइल. एडेप्टेशन. अब कुछ एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिस एरिया के अंदर रहते हैं वहां के थ्रू उनके अंदर कुछ एडेप्टेशन आ जाती है, यानी कि उनके नेचर के अंदर कुछ चेंजेस हो जाते हैं, उनकी बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर कुछ चेंजेस हो जाते हैं, तो उनके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. फीचर और हैबिट्स दैट हेल्प एन ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू लिव इन इट्स हैबिटाट आर कॉल्ड एडेप्टेशंस. यानी कि जिस हैबिटाट के अंदर हमें रहने लायक बना दिया जाता है तो वो कुछ एडेप्टेशंस हो जाती हैं जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर आ जाती हैं. For example, a fish can live in water because it has features such as gills to breathe and fins to swim. Adaptations for forests. The following are some of the adaptations shown by plants and animals living in forest. Plants. In rainforest, forest that receives a lot of rainfall, leaves of plants have special tips called drip tips. Drip tips allow rainwater to run off the leaf quickly and thus protect the leaf from rotting. यानी कि पानी से जब कोई भी प्लांट सड़ने लग जाए तो उसे बचाने के लिए ड्रिप टिप होती है। एनिमल्स सच एज स्लॉथ, स्टिक इंसेक्ट्स एंड लीफ इंसेक्ट्स आर शेप्ड और colored to match their surroundings. This type of adaptations called camouflage makes these animals difficult to spot and protects them from their enemies. Adaptations for grasslands. The following are some of the adaptations shown by plants and animals living in grasslands. Plants. Grasses have deep, spread out roots that enable them to absorb water, even during periods of scarcity. Animals. Lion has a brownish color that blends in with dry grass and helps it stay hidden while hunting. यानी कि जब भी कोई हंटिंग करेगा तो उसे बचाने के लिए इसके ग्रास का कलर ये रखता है, लायन जो होता है. Eyes in front of face help it find or track its prey. Most grassland animals have powerful limbs that help them run fast while chasing their prey और while escaping predators. प्रे कौन होता है? जो उसका शिकार करेगा. Grassland herbivores such as deer have eyes on side of the head which allows them to see on all sides. यानी कि सब तरफ वो देख सकता है अपनी दोनों आंखों से जो उसके साइड में होती हैं. Adaptations for deserts. The following are some of the adaptations shown by plants and animals living in deserts. Plants. Most desert plants have long roots to absorb water deep in the soil. In cactus, leaves are modified as spines and the stem has a waxy coating to prevent water loss. The green fleshy stem stores water and also makes food for the plant. Leaves are reduced or absent in other desert plants. Animals. Desert animals such as kangaroo, rat, and desert snakes avoid heat by remaining in shade or in underground burrows during the day. Camel can survive without food or water for days, just 7 days. Excess food is stored as fat in its hump. This fat is broken down to get energy when required. Long, thick eyelashes and flaps over the nostrils prevent sand from entering the camel's eye and nose. Adaptations for mountain regions. The following are some of the adaptations shown by plants and animals living in mountain regions. Plants. Trees such as pine and fir are cone-shaped with sloping branches and needle-shaped leaves. This helps snow and rainwater slide off them easily. Otherwise, the branches might break under the weight of snow. Animals. Yak has long hair that keep it warm. Snow leopard has thick fur even over its paws, which protects it from cold. Mountain goat has tough hooves feet that helps it climb rocky surfaces. Adaptations for aquatic habitats. The following are some of the adaptations shown by plants and animals living in aquatic habitats. Plants. Since water is readily available, most aquatic plants have highly reduced roots. Roots, stems, and leaves of most aquatic plants have air spaces that help them float in water. Leaves of most aquatic plants have a waxy coating to prevent them from rotting. Plants such as hydrilla, which grow underwater, have flexible stems and narrow, ribbon-like leaves so that water can flow without tearing the leaves. Animals. Fish have fins, tail, streamlined bodies which help them move through water. They also have special organs called gills for breathing underwater. Animals such as octopus, squid, and jellyfish form a streamlined shape while swimming, which help them move through water easily. Whales and dolphins have nostrils or blowholes on top of their heads for breathing. These animals come to the surface to take an air. तो आपका ये जो चैप्टर है वो आज कंप्लीट हो गया है, यानी कि हमारे सिलेबस से 10 चैप्टर जो है कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. अब इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं ये हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आप लोग इस वीडियो को जाकर के लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर द वीडियो फॉर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड थैंक यू.